In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export only selected slides as a new presentation in PowerPoint. This is perfect when you want to share just the highlights, create a mini deck for a meeting, or reuse a subset of slides without touching your original file. I'll walk you through each step and give you a few tips so everything looks exactly the way you want. First, select the slides you want to include. You can do this in Normal View, which shows your slide thumbnails on the left, or in Slide Sorter View, which gives you a grid of slides and makes it easier to see the whole deck at once. To open Slide Sorter, go to the View tab and choose Slide Sorter. Now, hold the Control key on Windows, or the Command key on Mac, and click each slide you want to include. You'll see each selected slide get highlighted. If you need a continuous range, click the first slide, hold Shift, and click the last one in the range. If you accidentally select the wrong slide, just Control or Command click it again to deselect. Next, copy your selected slides. Right-click on any one of the highlighted slides and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. A quick tip: make sure at least one slide is still highlighted before you copy, so you know you're grabbing the exact set you chose. Now, create a new presentation to paste these into. Go to File, then New, and choose Blank Presentation. This gives you a clean workspace and keeps your original file untouched. You should now be in a fresh deck ready to receive your slides. Paste the slides into the new presentation. In the slide pane on the left, right-click and choose either Keep Source Formatting or Use Destination Theme. Keep Source Formatting preserves the original design, colors, and layout from your source deck, which is great when consistency matters. Use Destination Theme applies the look of your new presentation, which is helpful if you're standardizing slides to match a different template. You can change themes later if needed, but picking the right option now saves time. Finally, save the new file. Go to File, then Save As, pick your location, and give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly later. The default PowerPoint format is usually the best choice for editing and sharing. That's it. You've created a new presentation containing only the slides you selected with the formatting you prefer and saved it as its own file.